How to contact Lululemon Customer Support. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and search for shop.lululemon.com and make sure to log into your account. Now you want to scroll all the way down. And here you can find the option of Contact Us. Here you have different options. There is live chat, then email, and also Contact Us. You want to select the third option. Once you're here in Contact Us, you can click on any of these topics if you want quick action. If you want to send an email, click on the Send Email option. Once you have clicked on this option, you're going to find the Lululemon Customer Support email over here. You can simply send an email over here. Do not forget to mention your issue in the email for quick response. You can also call them directly by dialing this number that you can find here. If you want to live chat with the customer support, you can do that as well by clicking on the live chat option. Once you click on this option, it's going to open up in this web page, Chat with Us. And here, this box is going to appear, and over here you can chat with the live customer support agents. And this is how you can contact Lululemon Customer Support. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.